guys, in this video we will be replacing our star, the sun, with different outer stars, big and small, to see what it affects to the planets and the solar system. So let's go and start replacing our sun. We'll go with a blue star. Let's go with Rigel. As you can see now, Rigel's taken the whole inner solar system. Oh no! Oh no! Jupiter's gone. Let's speed up time if Saturn disappears. Saturn's gone. Uranus might survive. The others survived. That's so cool. Okay. Rigel's finished the solar system off, so we'll have to start a new one. Let's go with a small star. Let's try Poisson B. Okay. Oh my god. Poisson B is like, wait. How is this possible? It's smaller than Neptune. How is this possible? It's a star. Well, the others are just gone. But maybe we can bring them back with a bigger star. Now let's try let's do a really big star. So let's try Sirius. Okay, it's brought Mercury back. Venus is coming. Earth's coming. Mars is coming, I think. Let's speed up time. Oh my god, the gravitational pull is so strong. It's brought the whole solar system just into it. Now, here's a peaceful solar system. And let's destroy it again. Yay. Okay. Instead of the biggest stars in the world, we got the small stars. Okay. This. Please stay in the orbit. Oh my gosh. Then we bring them back. Do I have to do this? Okay, I'm not doing big stars. Let's just... Yeah, that didn't do anything at all. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to get Rigel. By now, Mercury would be gone. Mars is coming back to save the day. Oh my gosh. Wait, if Jupiter's gone, Earth, Mars have to say bye-bye. I guess Mercury's... Look at Mercury, bro. Wait, why isn't it blue? So, as you can see, the whole solar system has wiped out except Uranus, Neptune, the outer planets, and Mercury. But Mercury's coming back and he's going to die. Let's check on Neptune, how he's doing. Neptune's like 600 Celsius. That's so hot. You can see like I think that's his atmosphere. It's all like entering into the deep entering into deep space. We can let's check the orbits to see where they're going. Okay, I guess Uranus is out of here. But if we want Uranus to come back, we gotta get a bigger star. Let's try the biggest star in the universe again. Okay, I don't think that helped, but okay. There goes Neptune. Yeah, none of them are surviving. Uranus is still going as fast as he can. Oh my gosh, look at this view. The star just covered. I do not understand. Let's check Neptune. Oh wait, he's gone. Let's check this little dwarf planet. Oh my gosh. 1000 Celsius. That is the hottest. Oh, how hot is a star? 5,000 Celsius. 5,500 Celsius. OMG. This is why our sun is perfect. Because if you replace all the stars, every single planet will just go away or just die into the star. Well, I have something different. Let's try and find a star that is perfect for the solar system. So let's see. Let's try Poisson. The orbits are crazy, but this might be good. Let's check the life on Earth. Life on Earth is perfect. If we speed up time, it might change. Okay. After lots of years, if we had Poisson, everything would just be a big whole desert. And I guess that's the end of the video. I'm going to see you next video. Bye.